Hi, third graders. Today I'm going to show you this little video on how to create your compound word art. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. And I think you're really going to have fun with this. It's simple, but it's just something a little bit different to do. So the first thing that you're going to get, let me unshrink this. We're good. The first thing that you want is just a regular piece of paper, okay? So what I'm gonna do with my paper is I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna crease it, okay? Then I'm gonna open my paper up, and I should have this line down the middle. So I'm going to fold it in once. So I'm gonna fold the left side to touch that middle line. And then I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to fold it and crease it to the middle as well. So now I sort of have a little book. It's kind of like curtains that can open up as a magic surprise. So you're going to have to think of a compound word. We made a list of 9 or 10 in our notebooks last Friday. You are welcome to use one of those. I'm going to use my crayons. I gave you all a box of crayons. If you would prefer colored pencils or markers, you can go ahead and do that. Here's how we're going to start. On one side, the left side, you're going to have to break your compound word up, and you're going to think, what is the first small word of my compound word? I'm not going to tell you mine. I'm going to draw the picture to represent it first. You can see if you can guess what it is. Sometimes the pictures don't exactly go with your compound word. Remember, I'm only thinking of one part of my word first. These are clouds. I'm going to color them in. Color my other cloud in. And then I'm going to attach my first word. These are raindrops. I'm going to call it rain. I might even, for an extra detail, draw an umbrella just because it's kind of fun. Maybe I'll put some stripes. Maybe I'll color this in. Definitely want to put a ground. Maybe the umbrella, someone should be holding the umbrella, shouldn't they? I should have thought that through. You get the idea. And then I'm going to write what my first word for my compound word is. My first word is rain. So this side is showing rain. Now I'm thinking of my second small word. I'm separating them. That's what you'll notice. Each small word to begin with gets their own side. So I'm going to do the picture to represent my next one. Let's see if I can do this well. Remember, they might not exactly go together yet. This is a bow. It could be kind of like a bow tie bow. It could be a bow that somebody puts in their hair or in your dog's ears to give them a little nice something. So I'm going to color those in. This is my bow. I'm going to color that middle. Let's find a good color here. I like purple. You can probably be more detailed. I'm doing it simply so that you can see the idea of the project. And then I'm going to write my second word on its own side. Bow. So now I've got two separate words, rain and bow. On the inside, I'm going to turn it into the compound word. So now to show that, I'm going to open up. It'll be magic when you do it. And in the middle, I'm going to put my picture of what the word turns into when it's together. So let me show you that. I'm going to make a rainbow. I hope you guessed my compound word. I'm going to go through all the colors in the rainbow. Yellow. I love rainbows. They are so happy. Green. Blue. And purple. And again, I probably, if I was taking a little more time like you have, I would probably make these thicker and color them in. I am going to add some clouds to the side. Color those clouds in. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to add another cloud. You can make your picture as detailed as you like. And then up above your new compound word, you're going to write it without spaces. So I'm going to spell it out. I'm not going to do a capital right now. And there it is, rainbow. So let's close it up. Rain, bow. When we add them together, we get the compound word rainbow. Very different, isn't it? For one more challenge, you're going to create a sentence at the bottom of your compound word. I'll get a pen, but I do want you to write in pencil. Think of how you can incorporate your compound word. I'm going to write a sentence right now. I saw a rainbow in the sky. I'm going to remember that I start with a capital letter and I end with punctuation. So there it is. I might put a box around my compound word. And there it is. So we go from separate to compound and a sentence. All right. Please do not use rainbow as your compound word. I want you to pick one that's your very own so that you can be creative. Have fun with this. I can't wait to see them.